mantap. Enak banget ini sumpah, bakso tusuk depan Permata Bank, Jalan Ahmad Yani.
Rasanya mantap.
Jangan lupa subscribe Caca Caniago. Ditunggu like dan komennya. Saya berada di depan Karebo Siling. Saya mau beli jajanan bakso pentolan. Yuk ikutin saya. Bakso pentolan ini berada di depan Karebo Siling. Tepatnya ini di depan Indomaret. Atau di samping Permata Bank. Nih baksonya. Bakso tusuk ya mas?
Ya.
Berapa harganya mas?
Ya ada 1.000, ada 500.
Oh, itu ada berapa tusuk kalau satu tusuk begini berapa? Berapa biji?
Pakai kantong.
Saya mau beli 10.000.
10.000 campur?
Ya yang kecil-kecil aja.
Kecil aja.
Oh ini ada tahu juga ya? Tahu
Oh,
ada.
telur.
Enggak, saya pakai yang kecil-kecil aja.
Sama tahu.
Enggak pakai tahu. Kecil-kecil. Jadi ada pentolan besar, pentolan kecil sama tahu. Mas yang ini satunya yang 3.000 aja mas. Saya bilang begini yang kecil. Ini buatan sendiri mas?
Iya.
Jadi ini buatan sendiri.
Bagaimana nunyin mas? Baik.
Ini ada ini apa nih mas?
Kumis, kecap,
Kacang,
saus.
kumis, saus dan kecap. Sama jeruk nipis juga ada ya?
jeruk nipis,
Ini jeruk nipis.
daun bawang.
Daun bawang.
Bawang gorengnya ini lagi kosong.
Eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.
Ada ibu-ibu guys. Biasanya sendiri. Bruh.
Ada itu kan? Berapa kamu ya? Iya sedikit.
belakang apa?
Tadi video sini mah.
Mari
Lagi campur. Campur.
campur ya. Sama susah mas, kasih ini, kasih tahu 2. Kasih cukup 20.000 ya mas.
Nah bayar di bapak.
Pakai toasting.
Mana ya?
Tidak
Kan itu.
Di video kan itu juga.
Biar dibungkus apa lagi?
Iya, bungkus.
Masuk di TikTok hari.
Kita malah di
Ya semua
Makan
nanti.
kita ya.
Rasanya mantap. Wah, ini sampean. Wah, lari jadi.
Berapa bukanya mas?
Jam 3,
Sampai
jam 10.
jam 10 malam. Oh iya.
Nah, ini masuk sini mas ini, wah mas ya. Nah.
Jadi jualannya ini tiap hari mas?
Ya setiap hari.
Oh iya. Tempatnya cuma di sini ya? Atau ada tempat lain?
Nggak ada di sini saja.
Oh iya. Berapa nih omsetnya satu hari mas? Bisa mencapai?
Wah, nggak menentu ji.
Oh, 200, 300?
Nggak menentu juga.
Oh. Oke.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
Jadi semuanya yang makan di sini nih gratis. Kita traktir ya. Kalau mau makan datang ke sini di depan Permata Bank.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play.
Mantap. Enak banget ini sumpah, bakso tusuk depan Permata Bank, Jalan Ahmad Yani. Jangan lupa subscribe Caca Caniago. Ditunggu like dan komennya.